What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. Here's another day trading episode for you. Continuing on the market for the morning of July 14th. As you can see, the market started out and what looked like an uptrend again as it did yesterday, and it kind of continued along the same kind of journey that yesterday. Actually, it really played out exactly like yesterday, where it seemed like it was an uptrend and then it went into like this trading range and traded sideways. There's a few trades that I marked, but I did not take any trades today because I just didn't like the bars I was given. And yeah, so let's get into the actual analysis of the day sped up. This is at 9 times speed, just so you get a grasp of what I'm actually doing. I'm making my channels. I couldn't exactly find where the trend was, so I placed it along right there. I hit 2 times, and the third time was at the bottom right there, and I went through the other one. I honestly did not like the placement of my trend channel, and I think I changed it after this down movement. I was going to enter here, but I was like, you know what? No, maybe not. I did not like the signal bar. The signal bar was not good, and it ended up going back down, I'm pretty sure, after that. But yeah, that was a close one. I don't think I marked it. It did act like a second entry. See, you can see me imitating it. But yeah, I didn't take it. I didn't like the looks of that one at all. So I just left it alone. Even though it did actually go back up towards the top, I just left it alone. So yeah, after that, it kind of bottomed out. I put a little mini trend channel right there because of the movement that was going up from this little uptrend. So I made a little channel expecting it to pass through the top like it did right there, hit right there, and actually was kind of getting stuck right up on the top right here. And then it went into a trading range pretty much for the rest of the session. And it kind of dipped down, kind of slid. The market kind of slipped off a little bit. But yeah, as it continued to go up, I was getting the sense that it might go right here. I thought I saw a triple test at the top right there because it did hit 3 times, but was sketched out and was like, you know what, I'm not gonna risk it for that one right now. I'm just gonna leave that alone. It ended up actually kind of not working out, kind of working out. I think it did like a crazy move right here. Yeah, you can see, look at that drop. So the triple test, if I would have left my thing there, it probably would have stopped me out on the way back up if I would have taken that trade. But as you can see, it did end up just absolutely falling right there. And then I thought there was a second entry formed from that triple test afterwards. So I marked it right there, but I didn't take it because I honestly didn't know if that was like allowed or if that was the rules. So I just left it alone and just went about my business. And then from there, it just kind of slowly went into, just another trading range. It traded up. It looked like it was going to be a good uptrend again today, and then just went into a trading range. And then it kind of faltered. The market kind of dipped below right after that a little bit. So actually, I did lie. I did take a trade this morning. I said earlier in the video I didn't take a trade, but I actually remembered that I did. I just didn't win, but I didn't lose either. I saw something that I thought I liked, and then I realized, no, there's something shady, there's something wrong. I didn't like the bars it gave, but I kind of entered anyway. So I just went to break even, and I just moved my stop up to break even. I'm going to slow it down here in a second to show what happened. But this is the move right now. I'm pretty sure I was waiting for a second entry again off the top right here after this move. It kind of, after this new high, it started dipping below. and started steadily going down. So yeah, as you can see, it kind of was following along this trend line going up, and then that's when it started going down. Made that new high, started going down. What's it called? Was waiting for the first entry coming up here. Broke above this candle right there, just slightly. That's my first entry, and then right here I'm gonna slow it down for everybody. Now I'm just waiting for my second entry, and let's see if I get it. So right here I'm just waiting. I've slowed it down in real time how it went down. I was looking, so it did just chill right there. Then it went above it right there. I was like, okay, I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna do this. So I entered right there. I was like, I don't know if I should have done that, because usually you're supposed to wait for the next bar, but I just kind of sent it anyway. And usually the bar that's supposed to be the signal bar is supposed to be green, it's supposed to be bullish. So I just entered. I'm like, wait, that's not right. It doesn't seem right. So I'm like, no, I can't do this. It was playing with me. It was going up. It was going down. I'm like, you know what? I gotta drag my stop. I gotta drag my stop loss up so I don't lose anything, and set it at break even, because to me it just didn't seem right. It just didn't seem right to have it. It didn't seem like a solid setup. So I dragged my stop loss, and as soon as it shot up right there, I brought my stop all the way up to break even, and it broke even. And I was like, okay. I checked my account just to make sure I didn't lose anything, and I didn't. I still have 0. But yeah, as you'll see right after though, literally directly right after. As you'll see right after, I sped it up. It dropped significantly after, and it would have hit my stop, and it would have stopped me out. So I'm so glad I brought my stop up. A lesson from that trade is make sure you analyze your setups, right? You want to make sure you're 100% sure. See, I wasn't sure. I was not 100% sure, and I took it anyway. And if I didn't bring my stop up, I would have been stumped out. So honestly, I should look at this as a losing trade, because, well, it is a losing trade. I didn't lose any money, but I lost the battle of analysis and patience. So if there's anything to take away from this video, it's analyze, be patient, and yeah, just don't rush. Don't rush. I'll talk about my TikTok having a trader's mindset. Trader's mindset's not dealing, like, don't be using your emotions. Keep your calm. Keep like a steady hand, and stay in control. Stay in focus. So, but yeah. So as you can see, after that trade, the market like dipped down pretty significantly, and started going down into like this kind of a downtrend for the rest of the morning. And that's when I pretty much got off, because I realized there wasn't really any more trades that I saw, and just kind of started fizzling out towards the end and slowing down. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up there. It's kind of a short session for Friday, but if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment if you want, and subscribe. Right here I'm gonna put up my recent video, and then if you haven't subscribed, I'll put up the button to subscribe so you can easily do it. But yeah, thanks everybody. Hope everybody has a good weekend, and I'll see you next week for more trading videos, continuing the journey. All right, thanks guys. Bye.